With keyless open and start and remote start, if equipped, you can start your vehicle's engine from a distance and lock or unlock the doors without holding the key fob. Unlock your vehicle by pressing the button outside the door handle with your key fob in your pocket. If your key fob loses battery or signal power, use the mechanical key inside. Press the button on the side to retrieve the mechanical key. Insert the key into the small slot near the driver door handle and lift the key upward until the cover pops off. Remove the cover, then unlock the door by turning the key clockwise until it stops, and counterclockwise. The door should open when you pull the handle. Once you're in, make sure your key fob is in the vehicle. Start your vehicle by pressing the brake pedal and the engine start-stop button. Remote start lets you start your vehicle without needing to go outside. Just aim your key fob at the vehicle. Depending on your vehicle, you may or may not need to press and release the lock button. Then press and hold the remote start button for about 4 seconds until it starts. For some vehicles, you may need to press the start button twice, as indicated by the ×2 on the remote. If you have an eligible OnStar services plan, you can also remote start your vehicle through the My Buick mobile app. Just press and hold the remote start button until it starts. Visit Buick.com/support for more details.